Hi everybody, this is Tracy from Tracy's Art and Craft, and I have here today the Happiness and Craft and Design Team project finally finished journal. I'm a little bit late. I thought I would get this done much sooner, but I've just been so busy. But here we are, it's finally done. So I'm just going to take you through it. What I will do is just add right now the clip of the papers that we had on the last video. So I'll just put that on silently and then we'll get back to looking at this. So welcome back. So yeah, those papers were just absolutely gorgeous to work with. I have used the Ephemera Kit as well that you can get. I will put links to both down in the description box. But so far on this cover, what I did was I cut out the tag from the Ephemera Kit is this big one at the back. And then I made some of my own little tags here out of all the different papers and bits and pieces. These are some of G's butterflies from some of her butterfly printables. I have all her butterfly ones. We have a little postcard from her postcards printable here. And I just, I had these from old bracelets. And I just sew them onto the front of the journal cover with some beautiful lace and things. It's just one signature bound in with some lovely ribbon. We have on the back my nameplate that I have on all my journals. And then to the side here, this is how lovely and thick it's gotten, we have the closure, which is just some lace that you can tie together. So coming in on the inside, we've got a lovely little button just here, which I've just placed on, just because, you know, for decoration, it's just cute to have that there. And this is a lovely large pocket which you can add papers and all sorts into. Just anything that you collect for your journal, you can place them in here until you've got time to be able to pop them into your journal. So I love to have big pockets on the front and back of my journals. So here we have our first little pockets, our first page of our first little pocket. So we have some little tags there broken out of that one. A beautiful flower. These flowers come with the Ephemera Kit, these paper ones here. And I've just put them on with a backing of lace and just stuck on a little flat back pearl rose. So some of the pages I have left plain. I do like to leave plain pages in my journals. That way it gives you room to either decorate them up yourself or to write in them. So there will be a few that I've just left as they are, with a scattering of pieces. I've added this in. This is actually one of the envelopes from the Ephemera Kit. And I have cut off the side bits and just used it as a flip so that you can write over all of this. I've stamped a little on there just to add some decoration. And then it just goes up like that. Oh, sorry. Next we have a larger pocket here, and I've got some crocheted lace down either side of the pages, and inside just a couple of little journaling cards. This is a hand-dyed card of mine. And I've just backed it onto here some normal card. There we go. Next I have a little tuck spot here. It's just like the other card that you saw, but I've turned it into a tuck spot instead. And I have made this tag. I made this tag from the papers themselves and just cut out a tag shape. Backed it onto some card so it's nice and thick. I took some of those flowers from the Ephemera Kit and just stuck that on the top for a little tab. Now the words are G's from one of her Friday freebies, and I cannot for the life of me think which one it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a little look on my computer and find out which one it is, and I'll put that down in the description box for you, just to let you know which Friday freebie I used for all my words. But then I've just added a paper flower with some little embroidered flowers and some cheesecloth there. And then here we have a tiny pocket just with a tiny little journaling card that I have decorated up and just placed in the corner there. That's a handy space to maybe pop a few little photos, a few little tickets, and then write about your day that you've had out, if that's how you use your journals. I tend to use mine for memory keeping, for heirlooms to pass down, but also you could continue to decorate on these pages yourselves. So here there will be another little card in there. I just haven't placed it in yet. I completely forgot, to be honest, but there will be one in there. And here we've got a couple more of those flip downs that I've said, and I've got one that flips up. There we go. And I've just done a couple of those there. Now on this page we have that lovely bookmark that we made with the little notebook inside for you to sort of document. I mean, these, I did have someone say that these would be great inside your purse, but they would also be great for inside books, for keeping note of what page you're on, or maybe what you've read, anything like that. A lot of avid readers do like to keep notes on what they're doing at the time, or what they've read, and little things they found interesting. So here we have another really large pocket with a lovely journaling card. I've sewn along the top. I don't know if you can see that. Just bring it a bit closer for you. So I've sewn along the tops there, and I've kept it in the cream colour. I wanted to keep everything just not too bright or garish. I want to keep everything just neutral. So it is in the cream colour, but it does look really pretty. And these tabs here, these also come, these little I don't know, flags or tabs, or I can't think of the word I'm looking for, but they come with the Ephemera Kit as well, and I've just added 2 on there, left it sort of up a bit. I think it just adds a little bit of dimension to it. We are stuck down. Hang on one second, I've stuck the pages together. There we go. So again, we've got another plain page set here, and we have here, but here I've added ruffles to the journal. I don't know, I love ruffles on journals, I really do. I just love the look of a journal when you've got all ruffles and lace, and it's, I don't know, I just love it. I love the feel, I love the look. I think it's so pretty. So here we have a couple of little pockets with little journaling cards in. Sorry, that one didn't want to go back in. And this one's just got a little taggy in. I've left them there, but you could also write all around this, as well as, you know, keep a few things inside as well. So here we have another little pocket. It's like a matchbook pocket. So you open it up and there's a pocket inside with a little card. And then it just closes up like so, and paper clips in. Another big pocket with another big journaling card. Lots of room. Now this pocket is just slid on. It comes off completely, and inside are 2 pockets. So I really like that. I think that's really pretty. Plus it's removable. I love removable spaces because then you can thin down the journal a little bit, or you can move it to another spot in the journal wherever you feel you want it most. And here is another one of those journaling notebooks. Here we have this lovely piece which opens up for some lovely journaling space, but also it is a pocket, and inside we have a little notebook. So there's an added journaling space in there. Again, lots of pages left plain because I just feel that this would be beautiful to write over. So here we have these little playing cards. These are real vintage playing cards. They're extremely old. I have backed them with some of the papers from the Ephemera Kit. So they have little cards in the Ephemera Kit, and I've just used them to back the playing cards. But these are real vintage playing cards. I mean, they're quite old, to be honest. They're from the early 1900s. They're really, they can be brittle, but because I've put the glue on the back, it's really strengthened them up. So I do tend to back those ones to strengthen them. And here we have a couple of more journaling cards, again hand dyed by me with avocado and just placed in. So I've got a lovely pink hue to them. Here we have another big journaling, another big pocket with a journaling card inside. Nothing fancy, all stitched round. It's all got stitching around it, but nothing fancy there. And then we've got that ruffle that we made together on the last video with the staples, and I put some ribbon on. As you can see, it's all glued down really well. Nothing's coming up. It's all in place, all there. Here we have a couple of more flips. These are some more of the envelope things that we get with the Ephemera Kit. And I've just cut them all down into flips to give you some extra journaling space. Now here I have another one of those double pockets, and in here I have a little envelope which has some little stamps and things in, and we have journaling cards. Now a good way to keep your journaling cards fanned out, or your little journaling pictures or whatever you want to put in there, little things to find, is to add a paper clip to the bottom. And when you add a paper clip to the bottom, you can keep them still, but they stay fanned out on the page, if that makes sense. So that's a good tip for keeping everything fanned out and looking nice. Yet another big pocket, but this time I've put a ruffle down the bottom. I absolutely love ruffles, like I say. And another journaling card again, it's all been stitched all around, and so has the pocket. Here we have another little tuck space with another little, I say a little tag, it's a really large tag. You can see by my hand, it's really large. And that just tucks in there nicely. Beautiful lace trim throughout. Some more plain pages for writing. We have another one of these envelope pockets here. These little matchbook pockets, and there's quite a few little bits and pieces in that one. And then we have the back page and the back pocket there. And of course then my nameplate to end with. So there she is. She's absolutely beautiful. I haven't named her. I haven't come up with a name for her yet. Yeah, just don't have one. But there we go. There she is. So I hope you like my little make that I've made this month. If you want to have a little look at G's website, that's down in the description box, and so are her kits and her Etsy store. That is all down there. Yep, all my socials My website is down there also. I have a newsletter that comes out on the 1st of every month, so you're going to be a little bit late for this month's one, but you will get next month's one. Yeah, but that comes out on the 1st of every month. And you don't get anything more than that. I don't spam you or anything like that, so do join that if you wish to. Yeah, and I hope you've had fun. I hope you've enjoyed this, and I will see you next time. Take care now. Bye for now. Bye.